Hi guys, and welcome back to another Mab Slays mukbang. So yeah, it's your girl Mab Slays and we're back with another mukbang. In today's video it's homemade burger and fries and chips. My mum made some homemade burger and chips just now, and I got some juice on the side. She just put tomatoes and gherkins just in case I don't want it. Inside we have bacon, bit of cheese, and the burger. Well, I do want tomatoes, so I'm gonna put the tomato in, and the gherkins. I do want a bit of all of that. It's like baby gherkins, I think. Here we are. And I have some mayonnaise, as always. So let's get a thumbnail. And let's just dive right in. Very good. I love this drink. It's basically it's lemon and pineapple or something. I don't really like mixing flavours, but I like that. And it's from Sainsbury's. It's very nice. Into the burger. Dip it in the mayo. Mayo just goes well with everything. The steam. As always, no tissues. What other foods would you guys like to see? I've done a Wendy's and McDonald's, but I might just do Wendy's by itself. I'm not sure yet. Got a few things in mind, but you guys will see. Not like them. That mayonnaise. This is a real bag of like I won't lie. That guy can just taste immaculate. Always drinking off the drink so quick. Always. That gherkin right there. Right there. Not me dropping the bacon. I need one. Oh, that crispy one. Oh, gosh. One. The burger is just burgering. When the burger is just burgering. Ooh. Joyful, joyful. The burger is really burgering. I don't know why I'm saving this crispy chip. That was so nice. The burger is just burgering. Ain't no more mayo. One more bite. You want this side? No, I want that side because that's the bacon side. You have this side. Let me just take one. The burger is really burgering here. Alright. That was really good. I don't know. I don't even want to flush it down. I just want to save the flavour. Oh my god. Delish. Delish. I'm so silly. But this is the end of the mukbang, guys. If you like this mukbang, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe as well. Make sure you're subscribed. And leave a comment of what you want to see me eat. And yeah, follow me on all my socials. They'll be down below. All my other YouTube channels will be down below also. So if you came this far to the video, thank you so much. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.